right now we're actually testing both dash cameras in 3-channel mode. So right now we're going to test how the microphone sounds. You'll be able to hear the difference between the microphone on the Vantrue N4 Pro and the Viofo A139 Pro. So we're also going to be able to check out the interior camera, and both of them are in auto. And currently, from when I looked at the last live view on the Viofo A139 Pro, it should be in black and white because it's not bright out at all. So you'll be able to see the differences between these two interior cameras. So as we drive through Mission downtown, I want to highlight the differences between these two 3-channel dash cameras. So the main difference is the A139 Pro, the actual interior camera is up here. So you'll see my hand here. I have it mounted on top of the rear view mirror. So what's nice about the A139 Pro is you have the flexibility for the actual camera to be mounted wherever you want on your front windshield. So if you have different things in your way, you can mount it in different spots. Now the Vantrue N4 Pro, as you can see, I'm putting my hand right in front of it right now, is mounted down low on the windshield. So you're limited to your mounting options for this particular dash camera because the camera is actually built into it. Now, a lot of Uber drivers do tend to like this type of setup because you don't have to worry about trying to find some other real estate to mount the other camera, and they like to just kind of stick it on the windshield and have the cord plugged in, right? Obviously, I'm a little bit more of an installer or a technician. I like hiding all the wires, making it look really nice, and hiding everything. So, you know, it is nice that everything goes to one unit in terms of how the N4 Pro is designed, and people are going to like that or they're not going to like it. Just keep that in mind when you're trying to figure out your mounting options for your vehicle. Because, I mean, I just did a Ford Escape the other day, and we ended up having the N4 Pro mounted very low on the windshield because that was the best mounting solution to also make use of the interior camera. So if you're one of these picky people that wants it hidden behind the rear view mirror, I'd probably stay clear of the N4 Pro because you're probably not going to get it there unless you can get it up high and mount it off to one side of the mirror in order to actually record the interior. While the A139 Pro, because it's not all built into one, you're actually losing frames. So, you know, when we start talking about the resolution or bit rate, the actual A139 Pro drops down to 24 frames per second when you put it into 3-channel dash camera mode, while the Vantrue N4 Pro still maintains 30 frames per second when it comes down to utilizing it in 3-channel mode. So keep in mind when you're comparing these two units, the Viofo, you can actually push and hold a button very quickly and it will change to 2-channel mode and give you that 30 frames per second for front and rear very quickly.